Braniff International is creating the most beautiful airline in the world. We hired Emilio Pucci to design our uniforms. Our hostesses wear reversible coats of almond green and apricot, space helmets to keep out the rain, red space suits, and sometimes something a little more comfortable. And we hired Alexander Girard to do our planes. We have blue planes, orange planes, yellow planes. You can fly with us 7 times and never fly the same color twice. Inside 7 different color schemes. And since we fly to Mexico and South America, art from Peru, Brazil, and Argentina. Cha-cha-cha. Braniff International announces the end of the plain plane. We won't get you where you're going any faster, but it'll seem that way.